I want to talk about these Flavorizer bars from X Home. These are a new purchase for me. I have a Weber grill. It's a 300 series Spirit 2, and I've had it for about 5 years. It performs great, but the Flavorizer bars were getting a little bit tired, getting a little bit burnt out, as you'll see right here. So, yeah, I use my grill a lot, probably 4 or 5 nights a week when the weather cooperates. And it was time to update them, so I did a little bit of cleaning on the grill, put these in. One of the things that really drew me to these is their porcelain-enameled steel, so they really radiate heat. They're easier to clean when it needs to be done, and they look great as well. The construction seems really solid on them, and I was ready to take them for the first spin. I cooked up a flat iron. You can see right there I'm getting great flame. It looks good. I think these are going to work out great for me. If you need some new grill parts, please click on the link in the description below.